Jason DePaoli here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. Just want to do this little video about deadlifts and how to set up properly for deadlifts. Now, most people, when they get to deadlifts, do the conventional deadlifts, which is perfectly fine if you want to sort of get stronger in the deadlift and get a hip hinge. But before that, what I usually do in my training and how I approach deadlifts is I don't go straight to the conventional deadlift straight away. I progress through different variations before we go to the conventional deadlift. Mainly I use the trap bar deadlift. But if you are determined to do the conventional deadlift from the floor, there's a couple of tips I like to mention. One of them is just think about you're not lifting the weight off the floor. Think about you're pushing the floor away from you, and literally you're standing up straight. So you're pushing through your hips and you're standing up nice and tall. So you want to be like nice and tall. So your ankles, knees, hips, shoulders, everything in one straight line, or as straight as you can. So the second tip I like to give is when most people think about when they go down and pick up the bar, they just literally pick the bar up as quickly as possible. Now what I want you to do is to pause when you get your grip on the bar. And what I want you to do is take the slack out of the bar. So you're literally picking 99% of that weight off the floor, but it's not literally coming off the floor. What you're doing, I want you to hear that click, so you get that torque and that tension throughout your body. So your lats are nicely engaged, so your shoulders are back and down, so they're nicely engaged. Sort of think about you've got like oranges in your armpits and you're squeezing those oranges to try and get the juice out. So you're getting that, so you get a nice core and you get your hips nice and low, and from there, once you hear that click, you're nice and tense, and then literally think about pushing that floor away from you and you're standing up nice and tall. So that's a little quick tip here from the Edge Strength and Conditioning. I hope you like this video. This is a brand new video with more tips and hints that I'm going to do in the future in my little brand new studio. So I hope you like this. If there's any more information you'd like to know about my training, how I train people, please do not hesitate to give me an email or give me a message on social media. I'll be more than happy to help you.